everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. I am doing well. I am recording all of my September boxes in September. So I'm winning. And today we are going to be unboxing the Boxycharm Boxyluxe for the month of September. So Boxycharm is a monthly subscription that's approximately $25 a month. And then every quarter for another $25, you can upgrade to the Boxyluxe. So that is what I did, and that is what this is. So I think it's supposed to be over $300 in value, and it's quite a nice size box, and it's quite weighty this month. So I have some high hopes because this is my favorite box that I get. So let's see what we have inside. All right, let's see what we have. Like I said, this is my favorite box, so I always get very excited when I receive it. So that is what the box looks like. And I'm just going to see. So here is the card, and on the other side will tell us everything we received. And the theme is Fall Luxe. It's very pretty. All right, so without further ado, let's see what our first item is. I think I picked this. Did I pick this? I'm not sure if I picked this, but look, it's a hair straightener and I need a new one because mine is a POS. So this is a not so mini ceramic flat iron from the brand Adagio, California. Hair straightener is a good thing to get. Let's see what it looks like. So it's okay for me if it's a mini because I have short hair. As long as it is mighty. Ow, 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 I just pinched my finger. So that is what the straightener looks like. I think it'll probably do the trick. Make some nice, I like to do this and make the waves a lot of the time. And I did need a new hair straightener. So I'm very happy with this. Start up next from Grace and Stella. We have Shh, Let's Just Sleep. A sleep mask, hot and cool gel bead eye mask. I'm not as excited for this. I received something very similar in another box recently. Can't remember which one. It's pretty pink. So it's got all of these beads, so for heating up or cooling down. And then the other side has got like a towel terry cloth texture. It looks like. I got hair on my nose. So it's got an adjustable strap and it's stretchy. So yeah, that's this will be really nice for putting in the fridge or the freezer or probably in the microwave. See if it fits my big whopping melon. Oh, well, it's not the most comfortable thing. Does it look good? I have it all a little tight. It's kind of heavy. But it does, even without being put in the fridge, it does feel cooling. It's a little heavy though. But you probably wouldn't sleep with that on. I wouldn't sleep with that on, but I would use it as a treatment. So you microwave it for 10 to 15 seconds and testing the warmth on the inside of your wrist before you put on your eyes to cool. Keep in freezer for 10 to 15 minutes and test the coolness on the inside of your wrist before applying. Not terribly exciting, but I'm sure I'll use it at some point. In one miss. Let's see what else we have. What is this? From Rare Beauty. I've heard good things about this brand, but I don't think I have anything from them. Blot and Glow Kit Retouches and translucent. So it is blotting powder and blotting papers, I think. That's nice because you probably have noticed I get really oily right here, but I also get really dry right here, so it's very odd. So a nice blotting paper would be good to have in my purse, and it'll be good to try one out. So it comes in this nice little kit, and then when we open it up, it's got powder, it looks like, and then the strips. Or not. blotting powder. So I took this off and expected there to be powder underneath. Maybe there is powder underneath. Okay, let's just see. It's got this. But I don't know that there's any powder. So first let's look at the sheets. So it comes with 100 sheets. So it pulls out just like tissue. So let's see where I'm really oily right here. And in my nose. She's greasy. If the paper goes clear, it's your window to weight gain. That's what they said on The Simpsons anyway. So, I'm a little greasy. It's kind of yucky, sorry. I'm going to try and open this and see if there's something in here or if I'm just crazy. Okay, I've figured it out, I think. So you can put your own, I think, powder in here, and then they supply the blotting, the puff, and then it comes with these, I think. But still, it's really cool, and it's nice and compact for your purse, for sure. And I've never seen anything like that. So that is very neat. So 2 hits and 1 miss. Let's see what else we got. Okay, next up we have this. What is this? From the Lifestyle Company, Bamboo Body Polish. 100% natural bamboo stem extract, jojoba oil, and aloe vera. So you just put it on your wet skin and massage and then rinse off. This kind of stuff is always nice to have in the shower for those dry areas. I get dry on my elbows. I don't really have dry skin except for like right here and on my elbows, and then usually everything else is fine. That smells really good. So this is the consistency. It's rather liquidy for a scrub. Oh, it's very granular. But with the aloe vera and the oil, that'll really help make your skin nice and moist. It smells nice. It smells very nice as well. So I'll pop that in the shower for usage throughout the week. It's a nice size too, so you'll probably shower quite a lot with that, or bathe, whichever you prefer. You need more of is makeup, so hopefully there's some makeup in this box. There hasn't been any yet. What's this? This is from the New Company, I think that's how you say that, and it is Defense Drops Herbal Supplement. Oh, really? Your first line of defense, echinacea and astragalus are proven to support immune function, while adaptogenic Schisandra and Eleuthero help to moderate your body's response to stress. Oh, I need something to respond to my body's response to stress. Use our immunity supporting tincture at the first sign of a cold or whenever you need a fighter in your corner. So you take 1 dropper full every day, and there's 30 servings in a container. I'm filming. You special. And so that is what that looks like. So that'll be good with the cold and flu season coming up. Should I taste it? I'm gonna taste it. So 1 dropper full. Oop. Or break it, you know. I won't. Just a little bit. I don't love it. I don't know how I feel about that. It's not a great taste. It's like cough syrup without the medicine. It's really sweet. Kind of tastes like Vicks. I mean, if it's good for your immune system, I'm sure it's good, but the taste is not the best. All right, still no makeup. We have a nice big box here from Saturday Skin. You can see that. It's Pretty Pop Probiotic Powder. Nope. Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. What does this do? So it has 4 times probiotics to boost the look of a healthy complexion, 2 times prebiotics to activate the full power of the probiotic infusion, multi-benefit niacinamide helps to improve texture, tone, and radiance in skin. So it's an exclusive peptide formula that promotes the look of skin's natural glow and renewal. CHA 7 complex. It's a nice size, whatever this is. So I've got their water cream, I think, and I really like it. This is really nice packaging. It's got that holographic kind of wrapping, and it is 50 mils or 1.69 fluid ounces. This is for my face. Did you say, is it for my face? Healthy and radiant looking skin. Apply, tapping the moisture into skin. Doesn't say if it's for your face or what. So I'm going to put it on my hands. It smells nice. Does it go on your skin, do you think? On your face skin? It just says skin's natural glow. I'm going to say it's for your body then. I don't know. I don't know. So there's that. All right, next up. Ooh, I think we have a makeup item. So this is from Iconic London. I really like this brand. This is the Triple Threat Mascara in the shade Black. It's got really pretty packaging. Let's see what the spoolie looks like. I mean, I like mascara, but it's not exciting. Like, you know what excites me? It's the eyeshadows. So that is the spoolie. It's got really, it's really fine. You can see. I'm going to see if I can swatch what the brush looks like on my hand. Oh, what's the, oh, what? So it like picked up on my hand hairs. So perhaps it's a lengthening. Let's read more about this, shall we? Just says triple threat. What is the threats? What are the threats? I don't know what the threats are. I wish I was wearing mascara. Let's try and add this to see if there's a difference. I'm already wearing mascara and I've had it on all day, so. It's really hard to do through a phone camera. Well, there's definitely a difference between this eye and this eye, so let's, all right. Let's get a little bit more. So perhaps it just builds up your lashes. My sister likes to go shopping in my makeup room when she needs stuff like mascara, so perhaps this isn't one that she will not be getting. Well, definitely did something extra, I think. Yeah. Well, that's exciting. All right, so good product, I think. Have to try it out. It looks like we are down to our last item, and it is bubble wrapped. Oh, no. No. It's from Cap Cosmetics. I loathe this brand, but I'm not going to go on a rant. Loathe this brand. So this is from Cap Cosmetics. This is their contour kit. I don't ever contour, so I'm already going to probably give this away. I'm not going to swatch it. Don't like the company. Don't like the people who own it. That's all I'm going to say. So there's the packaging. There's the contour colors. So we've got translucent, vanilla bean, raw, suntan, nude, banana, sand, and caramel. Not going to swatch it. It does come with a nice size mirror. I'll be passing this along. And that's all I have to say about that. Look at me. I'm using self-control. I'm not impressed, Boxycharm. I'm not impressed. Come on. All right, let's get some pricing. Well, let's pick our favorites first. The disappointment is real. I'm going to have to stop. Stop putting this brand in your boxes, everybody. Like Glossy Box, Boxycharm, stop it. Favorites. I'm going to go with the mascara. then the hair straightener, then the Blot and Glow touch-up kit, then this pre-pop, then the face mask, the eye mask, sorry, the body polish, and I think that was it in the box. Pretend this didn't happen. So let's get some pricing. The value of my box better not have been coming from that. I can tell you that right now. Okay, so the Rare Beauty, where's that? Blot and Glow touch-up kit, $26. The Iconic London Triple Threat Mascara. So it is $26. Did I say the Rare Beauty was 26 or 28? It's 26. Can't read without my glasses. So it's an ultra black, stunning, weightless formula that volumizes, lengthens, and lifts all day and night for a dramatic, fluttery look. The easy-to-handle slim brush gets right to the root of your lashes for an instant smoldering fuller lash line, while the dense bristles separate and coat evenly. I do like how short the bristles are because I have a habit of mascara just gets all over my eyelid after I'm done doing my eyeshadow. And this, I think that will be really hard to do. I'd have to really mess that up. The Saturday Skin Pretty Pop Probiotic Powder, $57. Power whipped cream. Oh my gosh. This piece of crap, $60. Probably you can find it on clearance at Walmart. Adagio Flat Iron, $99. I'm really mad that that's $60 and that's going to account for, like, you know, whatever 300 divided by 60 is percentage. The New Company Defense Drops. Oh, I forgot to pick these. These would be around the bottom as well because of the taste. $35. The Lifestyle Bamboo Body Polish, $49. And the Grace and Stella Hot and Cold Eye Mask, $18. So I'm going to add that up. I'm not going to include that one because I don't want the value to come from it. I'm not going to include it, so let's see what it is without that. Okay, the value of my box minus the brand that is upsetting to me is $310. So I got my value. I think this might be one of the most disappointing boxes I've ever received. I'm paying my monies. So I really want to get stuff that I like and I'll use. So I'll use the hair straightener for sure. I'll use the mascara for sure. I'll use the blotting paper for sure. But everything else is just like, yeah, okay, I'll use it. But I have a lot of skincare. I keep looking at this thing. And I don't care. I don't like them as people. Okay. I've already had to cut out. I haven't even posted it yet. I got one of their brand things in my glossy box in August. And I went on a tirade, a tangent. So yeah, I haven't posted that one yet because I have to figure out if I can edit all that out. There's a lot of opinions. But anyway, not my favorite box by far. So, I mean, the box was $50. The hair straightener was $99, is it? All right. So, I wouldn't have paid $99 for this, but I probably would have paid $50 for a good hair straightener. So, I'm not mad. I'm perfectly calm. So, thank you for watching. So sorry about my, outbursts. But I hope my dog's having a moment. But I hope you all have a great day. I really appreciate you watching, even though I complain a lot. And I have an itchy nose. If you wouldn't mind, you can click here to go to my channel and subscribe. And click like down below, please. And there's more videos here and here. And I hope you all have a great day. And I really appreciate you watching. Bye.